What if you could give your AI a memory, a flowchart, and the power to make decisions on its own? That's LangGraph. Welcome back to my digital diaries. This is episode 4 of Inside the AI Stack, and today we are breaking down LangGraph, what it actually is. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's start with LangGraph. Let's understand LangGraph in the simplest way possible. In one line, it is the orchestration engine that manages how AI agents think, act, remember, and move through a complex workflow. Now let's break that down using something we all understand, a railway system. Picture a busy railway station at night, trains, tracks, signals, and control system managing all of it. Keep this image in mind because every part of it's mapped to something in the AI stack. First, the LLM. Think of the LLM as the train itself. Train equals intelligence. It's powerful, it can move, but on its own, a train doesn't decide the route, the stop, and what to do if the track is blocked. It just moves when told to. Second, LangChain. This is the route between stations. It connects point A to point B in a fairly straight line. Useful but limited to that one path. It works well for simpler linear tracks. And third, LangGraph. This is the entire railway control system. Not just one route, but the whole network, tracks, signals, junctions, and control rooms working together to manage many trains, many routes, and many decisions all at once. So, what does this control system actually decide? Let's look at 6 things. It decides 1. Where to go next. Just like a signal decides which tracks a train takes next, LangGraph decides the next step an AI agent should take. 2. What information to carry. Like a train carrying passengers and cargo forward, LangGraph carries the right data and context along the workflow. 3. When to stop. Every journey has a station where the train should stop. LangGraph knows exactly when a workflow is complete. When to retry. If a signal fails, the system tries an alternate path. LangGraph does the same where a step doesn't go as planned. 5th, when to ask human. Sometimes a control room needs a human operator to approve a move. LangGraph brings a human into the loop exactly when needed. And 6, how to recover from failures. If something breaks down on the tracks, the system reroutes safely. LangGraph handles failure the same way, keeping the workflow reliable. So here is why LangGraph exists. Real AI applications aren't single prompt. They are long running workflows with memory, decisions, loops, multiple agents, retries, and human approval. LangGraph provides the orchestration layer that manages all of that reliably, and that's the LangGraph, the control system behind the intelligence. Now that we know what LangGraph is, let's look at its core feature. To keep this simple, we will use one running example throughout. A restaurant handling an order from the moment it is placed to the moment it is delivered. First, multi-agent system. Tagged here as a parallel expertise. Multiple specialized agents tackle the different parts of a task simultaneously, making complex workflow easier to control and more reliable. Think of our restaurant example. You don't want one person doing everything, taking the orders, cooking, checking quality, and delivering it. Instead, you have separate agents for ordering, cooking, quality check, and delivery, each focused on their own job, working at the same time. Second, conditional routing, tagged as a smart decision points. Conditional agents direct the flow to different next nodes based on the current state, including stopping the graph entirely when a condition is met. Back to our restaurant example. If the food comes out okay, it moves forward to packing. But if something goes wrong, it doesn't move forward at all. It goes back to the kitchen instead. The system checks the condition each time and decides the path based on that. Human in the loop. Tagged as a approval gates, the workflow pauses and waits for a human to review, approve, or edit before continuing, critical for safety and business approval. In our restaurant example, imagine a large order comes in. Before it leaves the restaurant, a manager reviews it first. The system doesn't just move forward blindly, it waits for the human check at the right moment. Memory persistent. Tagged as a stateful session. Checkpointers save the workflow state across pauses, failures, and sessions, which enables long-running tasks that pick up exactly where they let off. In case of our restaurant example, this means the order ticket keeps the customer request and special instruction intact throughout the entire process. Even if something pauses midway, nothing gets lost or forgotten. Reflection and retry, tagged as a self-correction. The graph looks back through conditional routing and persistence, so the system inspects its own output and retries until the results meet the quality bar. In case of our restaurant example, if the food is checked and found wrong, it gets fixed in the kitchen, then rechecked again before it's served. The system doesn't just push forward with a mistake, it keeps correcting until it actually right. And the sixth one, agent orchestration, tagged as flow command center. LangGraph is a low-level orchestration framework managing agents, tools, state, and flow control. The right step at the right time always. In our restaurant example, this is a manager deciding who cooks, who checks, when to retry, and when to finish. LangGraph plays that exact role for AI agents, coordinating everything behind the scene. So, that's the 6 core features LangGraph has: multiple agents working together, smart routing, human checks, memory that persists, self-correction, and one system orchestration it all. That's what makes LangGraph reliable for real long-running AI workflow. If this helped you understand LangGraph a little better, do 2 things for me. Hit that like button, it genuinely helps this series reach more developers like you. And if you know someone learning AI development, share this with them. It might save them hours of confusion. Then of course hit that subscribe button and turn on notification, because inside the AI stack has a lot more coming and you won't want to miss the next one. Thank you for watching this video till the end. See you in the next episode.